Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Raeford Mr. English, and in this class we're going to talk a little bit about time, how to tell time. So let's get right to it. Well, look at this question here. What time is it? Well, I can answer saying it's 4 o'clock. Now, please pay attention. We use o'clock to show the exact hour or 0 minutes, okay? It's 4 o'clock. It's 8:15. Now, 1/4 equals 15 minutes. So, 8:15 means it's 8:15, okay? It's 9:30. 1/2 equals 30 minutes. So, 9:30 equals 9:30. All right? Now let's see. Look at this graph here. Look at this picture. We have o'clock, 5 past, 10 past, 1/4 past, 20 past, 25 past, and 1/2 past. Now pay attention. Past is used for minutes 1 to 30, okay? And then we have 25 to, 22, 1/4 to, 10 to, 5 to. 2 is used for minutes 31 to 59. All right, guys. Let me give you an example of that. It's 1:30, or it's 1:30. It's 13 to 1, or it's 12:47. I have another example here for you. Take a look at these here. Usually we use AM in the morning when you wake up, brush your teeth, get dressed. Afternoon is usually when you have lunch, go to recess. And PM is in the evening when you do your homework, have dinner, take a bath, okay? Now, AM means before midday, okay, guys? PM, after midday. So if you want to remember, that's a simple way to remember, okay? AM, before midday. PM, after midday. Well, guys, for today, that's it. Don't forget to study. And remember, always use your English. Bye-bye.